Yes, you're staring at what looks like your everyday family minivan. But wait, does that pop-up roof mean it's secretly a luxury hotel on wheels? What if I told you Honda just dropped a game-changer on the RV world with the 2025 Nomad Camper van? A ride that sleeps 4, cooks gourmet meals, and still fits in your garage. Is this the end of those bulky Class B motorhomes, or just a flashy tease? Stick around, because I'm diving deep into this blue beauty. And by the end, you'll be plotting your next road trip. Hit that like button if you're ready to van life upgrade. Let's roll! Welcome back to Drive Vault, where we turn dream rides into real escapes. Today, we're talking hybrid power, solar smarts, and an interior that feels like a boutique Airbnb. I'll tour every inch. Exterior swagger, cozy living spaces, that killer kitchen, spa-like bath, dreamy bedroom, and tech-loaded cockpit. Plus, real details on performance and why this could be your ticket to endless sunsets. If you're new here, smash subscribe for more van tours that make Wanderlust wallet-friendly. All right, let's start outside, because first impressions? This thing turns heads harder than a supercar at a stoplight. Let's kick off with the exterior, because the Nomad doesn't whisper camper. It shouts, adventure ready. This meteor blue metallic paint? It's not just pretty. It's Honda's signature deep hue that shifts from ocean wave to midnight sky under the sun. Measuring 205 inches long, about the size of a stretched Odyssey, it slips into standard parking spots but expands to 240 inches with the manual pop-up roof deployed. That roof? Fiberglass magic, popping up in under a minute for extra headroom and a stargazing skylight. Up front, the aggressive grille and slim LED headlights scream modern Honda. Think Pilot meets Edge. Those 19-inch black alloy wheels wrapped in all-season tires? They handle pavement and light gravel like champs, thanks to the available AWD system. Side profile. Sliding doors on both sides for easy access. Plus 4 pop-out windows for cross breezes, without bugs crashing the party. And check these black side moldings and roof rails. They're built tough for kayaks, bikes, or that rooftop tent if you go full overlander. Out back. The tailgate lifts high for gear dumps, with integrated LED taillights that wrap around like a futuristic hug. Oh, and those solar panels subtly embedded in the roof? They trickle charge the house battery on the go, keeping your lights on without a hookup. Overall, it's aerodynamic enough for 25 mpg highway on the hybrid setup. More on that later. No wonder it's turning the RV show into a Honda highlight reel. But the real magic? Step inside, and it transforms from van to vacation pad. All right, doors whoosh open. Welcome to your rolling retreat. The Nomad's interior is a masterclass in smart space. 150 cubic feet of cargo when cleared out, but configured for 4-season living. That signature blue leatherette upholstery? Soft, spill-proof, and oh-so-stylish, wrapping swivel captain's chairs up front, and a U-shaped dinette in the back. The table drops flat for extra lounging, and those gray accents with orange stitching add a pop of trail sport flair. Durable, yet luxe. LED strips line the ceiling, dimming from party mode to cozy campfire glow, with a massive skylight flooding the space in natural light. Storage? Everywhere. Under seats, overhead cabinets, even hidden compartments for valuables. Capacity-wise, it sleeps 4 comfortably. 2 in the rear bed, 2 on the convertible dinette. Now, feast your eyes on the galley kitchen. Compact genius at its finest. Twin-burner induction cooktop, stainless sink with extendable faucet for easy washing, and a 21-gallon fridge that chills craft beers or meal prep salads. Blue cabinetry matches the theme, with soft close drawers stocked for a week-long trip. Pop the oven door, convection magic for baking en route. And that backsplash? Fingerprint-resistant glass. Because who has time for scrubbing mid-road trip? Water system's a dream. 30-gallon fresh tank, 25-gallon gray, heated lines to avoid winter woes. It's not a full chef's setup, but it'll whip up tacos under the stars without breaking a sweat. Moving aft. The wet bath is where the Nomad shines for privacy. Curved glass shower with rain head, porcelain throne, and a blue glass vessel sink that's equal parts art and function. Mirrors everywhere for that spa feel, plus towel racks and LED task lights. It's compact at 4 feet, but the teak floor and heated towel bar make it feel indulgent. Hot water on demand, macerator toilet, no black tank hassles, up top via the pop-up, or slide to the rear. The queen-size Murphy bed folds down over the dinette, with 6 inches of plush foam and blue linens that scream, "Sleep like a king." Under-bed storage swallows duffels. And those reading lights? USB ports galore for charging phones while you binge that podcast. Blackout curtains seal out dawn, and the ventilation fan keeps it fresh. For families, it's a cozy cocoon. For couples, pure romance on wheels. Front and center, the Cockpit. Leather-wrapped wheel, 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment syncing your Spotify or Apple CarPlay wirelessly. Honda Sensing Suite, standard, adaptive cruise, lane keep, collision avoidance, so you arrive relaxed, not road-raged under the hood. The 2.0-liter hybrid 4-cylinder pumps 280 horses and 262 lb-ft torque, mated to a smooth ECVT, 0 to 60 in 7 seconds, towing 3,500 pounds for bikes or a small trailer. All-electric range, 40 miles for silent suburbia runs. House batteries 2 kWh lithium-ion, powering outlets for 48 hours off-grid. Safety stars, 5-star NHTSA rating, 360 camera for tight campsites. Price breakdown, base elite trim at $55K. Loaded Black Edition with AWD and extras hits $68K. Fuel economy, 28 in city and 34 in highways. It's not the biggest RV, but for maneuverability and reliability, unbeatable. So, is the 2025 Honda Nomad the minivan that killed your RV dreams? Absolutely. If you crave smart, sustainable escapes without the hassle. Pros: jaw-dropping value, hybrid efficiency, and interiors that wow. Cons: only seats 4 comfortably. No massive slide-outs for mega space. But for weekend warriors or full-time dreamers, it's a game changer. What do you think? Drop a comment. Like if this tour sparked your desire to travel. Subscribe for daily van deep dives and hit the bell for alerts on deals. Thanks for watching this review, and we'll see you on the road. Safe travels, fam. Adventure awaits.